What's up, everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you the process of setting up an agentic workflow and process and how we do so in AI creative workflows for our enterprise clients here at Growthub. This is something that we offer, which enables a full private creative system where you have an actual full reference library of winning ads, also brand controlled generation at scale, and then a full client dashboard that's customized that I'll show you. You can think of this as a managed creative engine, and this is formed out of our own Creative OS offer. So for the last 18 months, we've been providing clients AI creatives, and this has been consistently evolving. This is just an evolution of that, now providing those same workflows, more agentic, more automated inside of the client's business, where we can actually manage this for them in a seamless way. So we're going to go through a real live client example of Harley Exteriors. Reference, it's a service-based company, and we're focusing on static ads generation on a recurring basis. And that is a very powerful use case, especially when considering personalization, geo-targeting, and localized ads for CTA to get pricing as well as get the quote. So this is the actual custom dashboard. It's very basic and simplified, that this can be fully customized as well as made more pretty for client-facing purposes. But here, actually, we have the outputs being saved and rendered. These are just really basic examples, but it shows you the final outputs, and these can be shared to clients as well and published, of course, and has full enterprise governance and security. So I did put together a Notion user guide, and it also has the official skill in here. So the 5 core setups for any client is going to be to choose the references. These are the winning ad examples and the research-backed, proven static ads, actually analyzing these, breaking them down into prompts, and then writing clear direction through briefs, guardrails, and the brand kit. So that way it can be generated on brand at scale and volume to really pump out fully personalized ads. These are just showing you some of the key steps as well, from taking the winning ad examples, reverse engineering them to actually have winning ads for your brand. And then, of course, controlling it at the brand configuration level with the brand kit. There is records and runs for all of the agentic processes, so you can track all of the token usage at the end of the month. The clients can get a report on this pretty seamlessly. That's pretty important since they will be the ones owning the workflow and running it. And then the generated assets. These are managed after creation, and you can actually continuously improve. You can have agents review the actual generations to improve upon or create new variations if you find winners based on. Now showing you the reference library. This is an external database inside of Supabase right now, but it can be any database where we actually have some of the saved references and competitor research. These are actually proven to work. And here are just some examples of some of the generations that we've created already. So before and after, with it getting a quote, targeting the Wilson area and Oregon. Female here, specifically for the trusted window replacement services. Another one for before and after with social proof. Another one here with customer reviews and trust badges. And then one more here too with customer images, some photos of the results, and then getting a quote. So we can consistently add to this as well as we generate more. So everything that I've showed you up into this point can be managed and governed inside of the workflow, and it doesn't need to be shown to the client at all. But you have this workflow that can run daily on a schedule. The AI agent here is analyzing the actual reference images that I just showed, and then the AI agent here is formulating the prompt for the brand kit to be aligned. And then here is an API that we've set up where it's actually just able to generate the images and then save it back to the workspace and the database. This is just one use case. It's very important to note of many other different use cases that can be built around this or as similar to such. But I hope this illustrates to you an agentic workflow end-to-end. We're not just generating creatives. It's really installing a private system that can learn from each of the client's winners and the best performing ads or best outputs in general, improve upon those campaign assets, and it's yours to own. So we can build around this, we can customize it, and of course, we will manage it here at Growthub all for you. Again, the real world outcome is to deliver you high quality, fully personalized, ready to go ads that can be launched and tested regularly. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, the focus here is to utilize geo-targeting, so focused on the local areas that Harley Exteriors is servicing, combined with imagery that is related to the ICP and that geography. And then also the CTA text and overall messaging is a core way that you can drive home personalization and target various different segments and utilize AI to do so, all within the static ads workflow. So if you have found this video valuable, please leave a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. At Growthub, this is what we do. We don't just focus on using AI for no reason. We set up real-world agentic workflows and processes that drive real-world outcomes. So if you're interested in this, please reach out to us, set up a call. Love to chat more. It's Antonio Romero. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.